From Yarah. It's a 5-color Kelvins, 10 level brightness, 3-in-1 light therapy lamp. We're going to open up the box, show you how nicely it comes packaged. 1100 lumens at 2 feet of the optimal distance. The lamp comes in black as well as white. Please check online for further details. And it's nicely packaged in plastic with the instruction guide laid on top. Assembly is required with 3 shaft poles. With the plate, a power outlet, thin cable, portable and attachable to desks and posts of a bed and more. Remote control access, 2 AAA batteries, not included. With a thumb bolt and bottom base weight with installation of a pad. An aluminum rubber covering with the remote control as well as the manual controls on the stick of all the features and functions. Assembling of the product is removing the tie wrap, lifting the bottom base. This is the rubber pad, and sliding the lead not through that needs to be attached correctly on the back of the handle, as this is a portable unit to attach on a desk as well as a stand. With the height you desire, pole number 1, we can have the lamp at a short height, measuring as high as 42 inches, to pole number 2 and attaching for a maximum height of 50 inches. Each of the poles measures 1 foot, and then attaching the last pole to have a height of 60 plus inches. Fully extended from the floor to the very top is 68 inches. When the desired height is reached, we have this little tray that goes on, and the last one screwed down. And then place on the remote control and adjust correctly facing the manual control, and adjusting the light accordingly to your liking. The light is made of plastic with LED. The base is and metal. The tray is adjustable by a rubber washer. 2 AAA batteries are not included. Place in and turn the light on. Plugging in the light for the first time and pressing the on button shows a blue light. Hit the on button for the touch. The light is on. The mode. Tapping the mode changes the Kelvin to 5 different Kelvins. Holding the mode. We have here is a timer. And long pressing the mode shuts the timer off. We have the positive that increases the light and decreases the light, or single tapping to 10 levels of brightness. With the remote control, we have the on, the 5D joystick, and 5 different buttons. We have a night light. We have a reading mode. We have a candle light, and so on. We have a coffee mode. We decrease, increase, and the kelvins. And we have a timer of 1 hour and off. We have this thumb drive that loosens down, goes on to a desk and tightens up depending on the height you want. And before placing on, we have this small thumb bolt that goes on over here that locks the tray into place. And then we screw it down for the height we want for our desk and reapply the power. A 3-in-1 light for your lighting needs. A place for the remote control and other small items. Dressing up your lead. A 3-in-1 therapy light for your lighting needs. For winter blue, summer brightness days, for low-lit areas around the house, around your workstation and studio. While you're exercising, you have a light for light therapy, for brightness level on those days. Place it on the corner of a table, of a little area to hang on. Put a drink and more. Change for the light therapy, 3-in-1. Adjust the gooseneck accordingly to your liking, all the way out to you and on. Your portable lighting comes with everything needed for lighting stand and portable needs. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for, and a 3-in-1 light therapy light stand. Thank you for viewing.